What's the meaning of blunt? Blunt. Blunt.
Blunt. Blunt. The term blunt can have a few different meanings depending on the context. Generally speaking, it means something that lacks sharpness or has been made dull. For example, a blunt knife would be one that has lost its sharp edge. It can also refer to someone who is straightforward and direct in their communication style, sometimes to the point of being perceived as rude. This person might be described as having a blunt personality or giving blunt feedback. In some cases, blunt can also refer to a rolled marijuana cigarette that has been filled with an even mixture of cannabis and tobacco, resulting in a milder experience than a pure cannabis joint.